What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So we had brought this car over from the house to the shop a while back and just got it in here and put inside. But now that we're going into winter time and I'll be back at the shop more often, I am going to start working on this, I guess. This is my wife's car. It's been sitting for a while. It runs fine. One of the brakes is locked up on it because it's been sitting for a while, but it's been sitting a couple of years, so it just needs normal maintenance that you'd have to go through to get it running again after sitting for a while. We got the fenders and stuff, they're off of it because I was just working on the car, and that's why the little lights are on the front down here, and it's got some little LED turn signals up in here. But I made my wife stop driving it and we parked it. I had brought it up in a video before. You can see how rotted out the towers are on this beam, on the suspension. So it wasn't really safe anymore. So we parked it, and under there somewhere, as you can see there, is a cut down adjustable beam. So I can lower the front. The car is a mess because it's been sitting. And you can just tell there's spider webs everywhere in it. It's just got crap growing everywhere. But, you see, you can drive the car. See, it's a mess in here. You see that? I had a mouse get in here and chew up on a brand new carpet kit, it looks like. Yeah. And I did throw a new floor pan in this side just for driving it. It had a few rot holes in it, like, of course, but you can see the light coming through down there. I hadn't replaced anything, done anything to it other than just put a new solid floor in this side. This side over here had a new floor put in it at some time. Let's see. Put a battery in it. Let's see if it'll start. I think it's got gas in it. Uh-oh. No, don't want to turn over anymore. You know, it is a Volkswagen. Oh well. Hadn't been started in a while. Once it runs though, it runs good, starts right up. Doesn't really smoke or anything like that too much. It's a dirty old turd. It's just got a GT style exhaust on it, nothing fancy. Really nothing a whole lot really major to it. It's just was a good running little car until we had to park it. And I had replaced all the door sills, window sills have all been replaced on it, and so it doesn't really leak or anything. It's just setting the heat and the weather, and we had put new door panels on it, and the heat cycles have completely tore them up just because we had it setting outside. But so we're going to start tearing into this one and get it running again over the winter. Now I can start doing more body work to it and get it looking a little better. I believe she wants a purple colored paint theme with cream accents. So who knows what we'll end up with. But for this winter, we're just going to get it running and back on the road and get it so my wife can drive it around again. So make sure you like, subscribe, share with your friends. I'm out.